Welcome to the SB4001 overview. What we're going to do now is take you through all the individual controls. Starting at the top, we have the comp in switch. When pressed in, the unit is engaged. When depressed, the unit is in hard bypass. Next, we have the grind mode, which is our proprietary tube-style harmonic distortion. Last, the key input. When pressed in, it engages the 1/4 inch key input jack that can be used for external ducking, de-essing, any external control that you'd like to do. Next, we have the ratio control, which in addition to the classic 2, 4, and 10 ratios, we also have the addition of a 1.5:1, 6:1, and 8:1 ratio. Next, the attack control allows for 12 total stepped attack times ranging from 0.1 second to 50 milliseconds. Next, we have the release control. It's a step control which has step positions of 0.3, 0.6, and 1.2 seconds, as well as 2 auto releases. The A1 is the classic SSL style auto release time. The A2 is our own faster responding auto release. The last position, variable, engages the variable release shown here. The variable release is a potentiometer which allows complete control of the release time, ranging all the way from 0.1 second to 1.2 seconds. Above that is the blend control. Allows you to blend the output signal between the wet and the original dry input signal. Here we have our high pass filters. There's a 60, 90, and 120 high pass, as well as boost and slope, which are a parametric EQ filter. Below that is the threshold. Turning the threshold counterclockwise engages compression. Below that is the output gain. It ranges from 0.6 dB of attenuation all the way to plus 18 dB of gain. Alright, we're going to hear some content through the SB4001 stereo bus compressor. The artist is Frank Carrillo and the Bandoleros. We did a rough mix as well as a drum track. We're going to be comparing the SB4001 to the SSL G384 as well as the Allen Smart C1LA 500 series. The files are available in the comments section to download in full resolution. Download the files, listen for yourself.
I can hear your love lost song. Weaken what was once so strong. Whiskey lady, don't you drag me down. Whiskey lady, I'm due back in town. I can hear your love lost song.
For a more in-depth overview of the SB4001, please download the manual at serpentaudio.com.